Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to discuss the operations that can be done using a string. So here are the four operations that can be done. The first one is comparing two strings. The second one is join two or more strings. The third one is iterate through a Python string. And the fourth one is Python string length. So let us discuss one by one. The first one, which is comparing two strings. So we all know what is a comparison operator. So we have six comparison operators. They are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So given two strings, let's say S1 and S2, when comparing both strings, so let the values be hello, HELLO, and the same goes with S2, that is lowercase HELLO. So what happens here is we compare each character of the first string with the character of the second string. So here we have H and H. So coming to the comparison, we compare these values using the ASCII characters. I hope you know what is ASCII values. Coming to this example, we have the uppercase A to Z, which is, it starts from 65 and ends with 90. That is, the ASCII value of A is 65 and of Z is 90. And coming to the lowercase, we have A, it is 97, and Z, it is 122. So with these values, we get to know that the value of uppercase H is 72 and the value of lowercase h is 104. So with this, we get to know that 72 is lesser than 104. So when we compare these two values, that is HELLO and HELLO, the first with uppercase and the second with lowercase, only the lesser than operator becomes true and all other operators become false. That is, lesser than or equal to and lesser than operators become true while all other becomes false. So now let's check it with an example using a simple code. So here let's take S1 is equal to uppercase hello and S2, which is equal to lowercase hello. And now let's compare the strings with all of the comparison operators. So first let's take S1 equal to S2. So this will be false because they both are not equal. The next one, S1 not equal to S2. This will obviously be true. And the next one is greater than. So S1 greater than S2. Then comes S1 less than S2. And then it is S1 greater than or equal to S2 and S1 less than or equal to S2. So now let's check the output. So here we get equal to is false, not equal to is true, and greater than and greater than becomes false and less than becomes true because the value of this h is lesser than this h. And now greater than or equal to is false and less than or equal to is true. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.